Guys, okay, so I'm going to be doing the strip down challenge. It's If you haven't heard of the strip down challenge, it's when you just talk about you and how you got started. Okay, so I'm gonna start the strip down challenge right about hold up, okay. Now. Okay. So I was born in Phoenix, Arizona. Can't remember the time, but um um Phoenix, Arizona at the Sam Hospital June 25th, and my brother was born the exact same hospital, Phoenix, Arizona, October 19th, 2005. I was born in 2004. Okay, so my dad didn't show up until my brother was like 4 months old. Okay, just keep that in mind. He didn't. He never. I've never seen him before. Okay, and then my mom met this guy, Casey Darnell. He was my stepdad for like 5 years. Okay, well, as you can tell, that didn't really last because he wanted everything his way. And my mom said, no, you're not going to keep treating me this way. And then she got a divorce with him. And then we moved to Oklahoma with my grandma. And we lived in Seminole, Oklahoma for 6 years. That's a long time. Just saying. That's half my life, pretty much. Okay. So anyway, we lived there for 6 years, and I met the two most amazing people ever. They changed my life. And if I wasn't here, and and if I hadn't have met them, I probably wouldn't be where I am right now. Just saying. Okay. So their names, I wasn't gonna say any names, but I'm just gonna tell y'all. Abigail Clark and Mackenzie Maya Wynn. They're my bestest friends ever. They treated me like nobody's ever treated me. They're so sweet. I'm sorry, I gotta eat. They're the nicest people ever. Okay, alright. And they're my best friends. If anybody messes with them, even if I'm all the way in Florida, I'm I'm driving or flying my butt down there to beat their butts. It's only a 3-hour flight. Just saying, they can't get that far. Oh my God, there's a squirrel on my tree right here. That's cool. Anyway, trust me, everybody touches them. They better start running now, cause people touch my homegirls, their butt's gonna get whooped. Okay. Anyway, I had to move away from them because my papa's mom, had passed. So we came down here to help his dad around the house and stuff like that. Well, um, I remember this one time I um stayed the night at Abby's house with Kenzie. Okay, so I stayed the night at Abby's house. Abby was there and Kenzie was there. Okay, so we were all having a sleepover. Okay. Well, I got sick because my grandma, she had a virus from Arizona that she had caught and gave it to my little cousin Harley, and then I caught it from her. And when they came back, I obviously caught it, and I actually stayed the night with my friend that night with them. And I threw up in Abby's bed. I don't know what time, but they found it in her bed like 3 days later. It's pretty gross. And she didn't even care. If it was like a complete stranger, I would have been like, "You're washing this," but you didn't care because you're my best friend, and best friends don't do that. Best friends don't treat each other different as if they were homeless, or they treat them as if they would treat themselves. And that's how Abby treated me. And that's how Kenzie treated me. Nobody's treating me like they've treated me. They're my best friends. And if you touch them, you better be saying bye to your family now. So I moved away to Florida, and it was really hard because I wasn't with my best friends. And that was hard. It still is. But the 21st is coming up real soon. And I'm flying down there. I am. I promise you guys. I can't wait. It's only like, okay, what's today? The 15th. I have 6 days until I get to see you guys. I can't wait. But anyway, I moved to Florida. I can't really do long distance with my best friend. But with these best friends, we're holding on. We're not letting go easy just because I moved away, or yeah, I find new friends, but they're not my best friends. They don't treat me like you guys have treated me. They don't. They sneak off with their friends and go take selfies in the bathroom and completely forget about me. I don't call those people friends. I don't hang out with those people anymore, though. But nobody's treated me like you guys have. Ever. And I hope it like to stay that way. I already have 2 minutes left. But anyway, you guys are my best friends. I had one best friend. She treated me like I was nothing. I didn't even say best friend. She called me best friend. But she didn't act like I was her best friend. She had this other friend, and her name was Carly. And Carly treated me like a best friend. But Sydney didn't. And you guys treat me like Carly treated me. Just completely way better. Just off the hook. Like, I don't know. But you guys, honestly, you guys made my life better than it was. I used to be, okay, this is going to be hard to talk about in front of you guys, but I trust you guys. Honestly, I do. I used to be the girl that sat in the back, was the smartest, but people treated her like she was the stupidest. That's what I was. But ever since I met you guys, it wasn't like that. Now I'm not afraid to be who I am. I'm not afraid to wear funky hair or wear weird clothes. I'm not afraid to do that. I'm not afraid to be me. And you guys made it that way. I love you. I do. Time is up. Okay. So that was the strip down challenge. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe. I will be posting videos daily. So, bye.